What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, another day is in a book. I got a jam-packed video for you guys, and we're going to break down NVDA, and I got a message for you guys on today. But listen, before we dive into today's video, please make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and tap into it. Okay, guys, I am kicking it off, celebrating the family. Check this one out right here, guys. 40 contracts on the SPY. 33.15%. This individual over $2,000 on a day. I just want to say major salute, guys. Talked about this morning in Discord with SPY that it would see and have resistance at that 440, 441 level, and that it would get slapped down to around 438, 437, among other things, guys. Anybody that played that and anybody that made money off that, please let me know down in the comments below. I want to continue to tell you guys, keep up the good work, keep running the play. We call in the huddle each and every day, okay? Listen, guys, that's what it's all about. Check this out. We have the most anticipated earnings coming up on tomorrow, which will feature NVDA. Okay, no knock to the other companies that report on Wednesday, but after market close, we have NVDA that everything is centered around. All eyes will be on NVDA to see how they report. Will they keep the momentum going in the market, or will this be the catalyst that brings us down, guys? Listen, man, I'm going to break NVIDIA down for you guys momentarily, but do me a favor. Please make sure you tune in to what happens tomorrow after close, okay? This time tomorrow, so 24 hours from now, all right? And understand, okay, guys, you have a huge opportunity before you, whether the stock pops or drops, okay? We'll talk all about it in just a second. And really quick lesson, guys, classes in session real quick. Check this out. This particular chart, your assignment is to look at this and identify support. That's number one. And then number two, I want you guys to tell me what happened at support and what should have been the play. Meaning, should you have bought a put? Should you have bought a call? So on and so forth. Take a look at this and just give me some feedback down in the comments below on this portion. Again, guys, I'm going to show up every day teaching you how to fish. Sometimes it's walking alongside you guys. Sometimes it's just giving you guys the setups and letting you see for yourself what should you have done, okay? Or what would you have done, and what is the play? What is the $1,000 money making opportunity in this, okay? Do me a favor and knock out that assignment. Feel free to leave your answers in the comments below, or feel free to text me what you think you should have done, where is support, and what should be the play, all right? With that being said, guys, let's go ahead and recap the SPY on the day. The ticker symbol on this one is SPY for the S&P 500. It was, I would call this flat on the day, down 2.8%, or $1.23 to be exact. It is flat in after hours as well. Check this out. This is the play I'm alluding to, guys. This is what the money making play was today. This was your easy money $1,000 play. I talked about 441 being resistance. Heavy resistance was my exact words, okay? And that look for rejection at this level. And if it got rejected, look for it to pull back. Look at where it pulled back to, 438. Guys, that's a hell of a play. That's a lot of money to be made for those that took advantage. Matter of fact, it continued to fall down further to 437 before getting a bounce to 439, falling again to 437. Notice these things, guys. I'm trying to teach you and show you how you can start to identify support, how you can start identifying levels that these stocks are trading within. 437 again led to a bounce to 439. Look at this. That's a double top right there for 1255. And then again at 315. And then that always leads to a move down. All right. And then boom, we went down here to 437 to close out the day. Major salute once again for those of you that were able to make money in either direction with this play, because I often talk about being flexible and nimble and how you can take advantage of this. But listen, now you know you have resistance at 441. So what will you do tomorrow if 441 is tested? Okay, let me know down in the comments below. When you can't get above a level, you have to respect that level. That level will be a make or break moment, meaning if we clear that level, you need to then get off of the downward move and then change your stance to a call, because now we're going to 442. Okay, but at 441, if we don't clear it, it's going to get smacked back down. All right, so be on the lookout for that again tomorrow, or get in Discord, because I'll give you spot on, pinpoint, accurate info. Okay, check this one out, guys. Tesla was very, very similar. All right, this one, the ticker symbol is TSLA. This one is sitting at 233.10. It was up $1.91 on a day, nearly 1%. But check this one out, guys. Very, very similar. It was at 240 and pre-market. Okay, 240, 241 was heavy resistance. Watch what happened at market open. Soon as 930 hit, boom, off to the races. 240, 39, 240. This one went straight down to, guess what, 229.80. Okay, this one fell all the way back down and some. All right, and then it regained itself and then made its way back to 234, closed it at 233. Listen, guys, understand these levels that I'm calling out for you guys, and then make sure you put a game plan together around it. Okay, we not guessing, we not gambling, we are surgical in this game, guys. I've been crushing the stock market for the last 2 or 3 weeks at a very high clip. Okay, I damn near can't miss at this point. And so you guys should be mimicking my efforts, because I'm putting the smack down on the market, and I expect you guys to be doing the same. Run the play we call in the huddle. All right, and then last but not least, guys, check this one out. Is NVDA, ticker symbol NVDA, sitting at 457.71. It was down 2.5% today, or equivalent of around $13. But check this out. It ran up. It was trying to make a new all-time high, which is we're trying to get to 500. Okay, so we'll see if earnings get us that boost to 500, or will we come back down to 400? But boom, at 482, we got rejected. Okay, guys, but check this out. The message I had on for you guys today is this. This stock is up 2.5% the past week, 3% in the past month, 50% in the past 3 months, and a double up in the year to date, over 200%. Okay, guys, my message on today for you all is this: do not chase. I don't care what you do. If you made money in this, let me know down in the comments below. If you made money in this, I want to say major salute. Okay, a lot to do with investing is making sure you guys are staying disciplined. Okay, there is a tendency to want to jump in, chase, have the fear of missing out. If you haven't been part of this 200% move, okay, guys, one, you got to reassess what are you doing. All right, but number two, looking to get in, and then say you jump in at 457 and then this comes down to 250. Now your average cost is at 457, when this play gives you ample opportunity. Look at this right here. Look at this price right here, 306. Look at this right here, 408. You're going to see these levels. These are levels that it likes to come to. You can consider different levels, but don't try to buy at the top. The name of the game is to buy low. So today's message, guys, is more about you ensuring that you're not getting caught chasing. Okay, you are better off waiting for a pullback, waiting for earnings to come out to see how the stock reacts to earnings. If we get a pop, if we get a drop, okay, these are the things you want to be looking for, and this is how you want to strategize around what your plan will be. Now, if you are in this, what about, hey coach, I already have this play, what should I be doing? Is NVIDIA a long-term hold for you? Okay, that's a rhetorical question. You either need to decide, yes, this is one of my long-term tech holdings. No, this is just a swing trade. Depending on what category it falls in, depends on your strategy, okay? I'm not a financial advisor. I can't advise you guys what to do. What I can do, however, is give you guys insight and things to consider when you are investing and you're making money and you're doing your thing in the stock market. Okay, so if you've been in this since we've been talking about this way in the 100s, okay, up to now, you know there's nothing wrong with taking profits, with taking some off the top. If you got 1,000 shares, if you got 100 shares, you can sell a couple of those to reward yourself. Okay, but all of that depends on and is contingent upon what is your long-term plan. Is this a long-term stock or is this a swing trade? Okay, you always want to be able to answer those questions for yourself. Okay, NVDA has been good to all of us this year, and it has again restored accounts. It has made people a lot of money. I have made more millionaires and more six-figure people just alone with NVDA by itself, let alone all the other stocks from SoFi to Palantir to everything else that we've been crushing it with. Okay, however, they have the spotlight on them now. They're not going to creep up on nobody. It's not the people that missed us in 2022 when this stock was down in the dumps and we were loading the boat on this. Now it's the focal point for everybody. And so when you have eyeballs on it, the expectation is raised. Okay, and so whether they deliver or not, it remains to be seen how the stock reacts. Just a normal garden variety report might not take the stock higher. Okay, they need to do something like they did to get this run started, something that blows the stock out the water to go higher. Okay, something that just comes in good but not great, we may see a good but not great type of response. Okay, something that misses, you may see them use that to bring the market down. I don't care what happens tomorrow. I want you to have a plan. That's what I do, okay? And from there, you say, if this, then that. And you go through various scenarios so that you guys have a plan for what you want to do if this is a play that you guys are messing with at all, okay? Listen, guys, today was a phenomenal day in the market. Take what you see, get in and get out. And if you see profit, take profit. Remember those words, okay? Tomorrow, we will have another opportunity to put everything into practice that we discussed and talk about on the channel, okay? Use the teachings, use the Discord, use the pro investors, use everybody that's pouring into you as a resource to help you level up, okay? That's what I want to see. That's what I expect, all right? With that being said, guys, let's get ready to get back to the money tomorrow. Make sure you give this video a like and a subscribe. Share it if you need to. Listen, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.